Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an electronic credit ledger. First, understand that an electronic credit ledger is a digital record-keeping system for all your credit and debit transactions. It helps you manage outstanding balances and payment histories with ease. This system provides real-time financial insights, significantly reducing manual errors and streamlining your accounting processes for better accuracy and efficiency. Setting up your digital ledger is straightforward. Start by creating a new account on your preferred platform. Next, securely link your business bank accounts. This often allows for automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, perform your initial data entry, carefully verifying all opening balances to ensure accuracy from the very beginning of your digital record-keeping journey. Managing transactions effectively is key. Accurately record all credit and debit entries as they happen, ensuring every financial movement is captured. Make it a habit to regularly reconcile your electronic ledger with your bank statements. This step is crucial for maintaining consistency and identifying any discrepancies. You can then easily generate comprehensive financial reports for informed decision-making. Explore advanced features to maximize your ledger's potential. Utilize automated reminders to prompt timely payments from clients, improving your cash flow. Consider integrating your electronic ledger with other accounting software for seamless operations and a unified financial overview. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including a special offer on durable socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.